Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne now. This is a different kind of mix-up now. This involves almost everyone. His name have been called. So go check out the video now. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Have a wonderful night.
Going night on wait.
Hear this. You know, in life, we all make mistakes in life, right? But then again, sometimes some of us will weigh our options before we make that mistake. And tell me if I lie, me I tell. There are those of us who with parents grow we a certain way.
Yes,
and we know that certain things we not do. Right? No matter what. Listen, if somebody meet me on the road and tell me, say, they want me to go sell one little bag of sitting for them, or they want me to involve in certain things. Certain things is just a no-no, right? Based on how you grow up. No, I find some things rather strange that you have so much to offer. You're so knowledgeable about every single thing. You know what is right from what is wrong. You know how Donna should collect money and how she shouldn't do it. And you know when she looks self-pity from when she not do it. And you know when she this from when she not that. But you never know to say no when you were given what you were given to take where you needed to take it and you got caught. I find this rather absurd. You never, happy Monday girl, you never see all the red flags. Because Mark, ladies and gentlemen, nobody can force you to do something that you don't want to do. Always remember that. Nobody can force you to do something that you don't tell yourself say you're going to risk it. Now, all of these people that you come out and are crucified has never been in a cell in a whole their life. Right? But you will go. You have all the solution for the problem. Me not discriminate you going, don't get me wrong, It's just that me have to question things now. I am saying to myself that you are so knowledgeable. You know right from wrong. You know everything there is to know. But yet still, you did not know that you should not have got yourself involved in certain things. But you can see everything else everybody does. And you have the solution for it.
I have got nothing to say.
This is bothering.
All talk.
This is funny.
She soon got on night to know wait.
This is really funny. I mean, the article. Let me find the article.
Shall I read the article now? And listen, pause. For all of you who saying Tina Chin did have drugs in her pum-pum, it's lies. It is all fabricated. If only did want. All you guys had to do was go and put in her name on Google, and it would have told you guys where them find the drugs. It was not in our pum-pum. Public service announcement, it was not in our pum-pum. But only listen. And this is one of them.
This is really funny.
It's one of them people.
I mean, the article. Let me find the article again. Her name? Marianne Walters. Drug boss. All right. It's I'm telling you, because somehow they really never did say that something here, and people have come out and attack all kind of something, but there are some things that is not true too. So M. Walters, 34, Jamaican born United States citizen who pleaded guilty, and this was like September 2, 2011. Month unlawful importation of cocaine, unlawful possession of cocaine, was sentenced Wednesday to 5 years in Her Majesty Prison. Miss Walters was arrested at the Terrence B International Airport on the 27th after 208 kilograms of drug valued at an estimate 208,000 were found in her luggage. You which part they say define? In her luggage. Okay? She was sentenced, Miss Walters, to 5 years in prison for the importation charge. The minimum sentence under the Drugs Prevention of Pursuit Act and declined and imposed lawyer married about her client's financial state. Miss Krieg presented this a letter sent on Miss Walters' behalf by her father, one of her 3 daughters, and a friend. The senior magistrate reprimanded and discharged Miss Walters for the possession charge. Somebody just say, you know, how.
Well, I know. Make watch your ads. Come on, tell us my over a page. I mean, I watch the video steps. I don't have a proper part to play. I don't know the rest you can do it if you want to do, Cal.
Nobody not perfect, you know. The possession charge. Somebody just say, you know, how. Nobody not perfect, you know. I mean, I try to say it the best way I can. Nobody's perfect. And I've been hearing some things, and some of the things devastating. And, you know, she make a comment to say that. And I heard it on Grace's live, because I don't go on those people's live. She was playing it. She said that she's not going to stop until she get revenge. And me I say, stop until you get revenge? Revenge from what? You're fighting a losing battle. Because there's nobody, I don't understand how these people get up on social media and just open my phone and just cuss with people when I live near them, when I lie down in their bed, when I go and work with them, when I have nothing to do with them. And they are so bothered and I quarrel and I carry on. The way the people I carry, I want them to make it when they don't talk. Because they look like them are going to drop down. Because they might be so bad. And I carry on and I like to see them and somebody in a war. So may I say, you know, the little money you collect for the boy, them have all kind of something to say. And I'm saying, when will these guys learn? When will they have something positive to even say? Could they come out and say, you know what, this was a job well done, and just leave it there? No, they still have it. They are go on. But I'm telling you, the time is the master. Time are the master. Time is the master. You know? Time is the master. It's just like sometimes you hear the things and it just make you sad. Like you say, what could have so wrong? You know? Why people have to depend on this one person so day in, day out. And then I'm thinking to myself, like, you come out and you make sure with almost everybody on the face.
Pause. I started here, right, because I want to have a full understanding before she got down in at it, alright? So, bear with.
You know, why people have to depend on this one person so day in, day out. And then I'm thinking to myself, like, you come out and you make sure with almost everybody on the face of the earth. And then you make it look like some people are troubling you. You know? How can you live with yourself? Is this really, what do you think are really some views things on a serious note? Are people just want trend? Or what? Because when I think something I look normal, I don't know if these things, if they're normal. So you say all of something away until they come out with today now. Go talk about saying I'm going to charge people for watching. Mercy God. When they done with him here tonight, they go and jump up and down. They grab that, they know, and they go with it. I've never seen this.
Mm-hmm.
You have all the answers for all the problems. But you couldn't tell yourself, say, when the people are giving this, you're sitting off a car. I'm going to tell you to sit, you know. It's what I don't want to believe it or not. When I judge your body, you know, but hear what? You see them something there? Anytime you see people go on and then they get catch, I know if first them did that do it. Anytime you see them go on, till they get catch, then they do it for the first time. Then that do it already and just get catch. You see me? Pause to me. Dear love. Come in and understanding. And then sometimes people don't understand and them I say, you know, them feel like say you want to come out and you want to depend on them something all the time. No.